Okay, as we've seen how to push objects from SAP to abapGit, now we will say how to pull objects from GitHub to SAP package. Go to SC38 code. There we will find again standard code. Execute this. Oh, go to new online. Give the repository URL. This is my repo URL. Now go to abapGit. Paste URL here. Give the package. If package does not exist, we can create a package here. Or if you want to pull objects to existing package, we can give the existing package name here. I have existing package, so I have given the package name. Display name. See app. Anything. Create online repo. Give the token. Here we can see there is one button pull. It is used to pull objects from ABAP. I mean GitHub to ABAP. Click on that. See there are two objects. It is asking. Click continue. There you can see a message repository is successfully pulled for package Z abapgit underscore demo. Let's go and check that in that package objects are there or not. Here we can find the objects program, two programs. That's it. Thank you.